Car spark plugs ignite the fuel-air mixture, enabling engine combustion and ensuring efficient performance. My today's video is about top 5 best car spark plug that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Compap car spark plug. The Compap spark plugs, OE numbers 41 to 962, 19299585, 41 to 110, 19297035, 12192192, 12192195, IZTR5B111465, are a high-performance upgrade for GM vehicles, including Cadillac Escalade, 2002 to 2006, Chevrolet Avalanche, Silverado, and Suburban models. Featuring an iridium center electrode with advanced hot melt technology, these spark plugs offer superior thermal conductivity, airtightness, and ignition performance compared to standard platinum plugs. Designed for better fuel efficiency, the tapered side electrodes enhance charge accumulation and optimize ignition channels, helping save fuel while improving engine responsiveness. Iridium's excellent oxidation resistance ensures minimal electrode wear, maintaining optimal spark gap and extending the service life significantly. Installation is plug and play, making replacement quick and effortless, while delivering consistent performance and improved gas mileage over time. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive after-sales support, Compap prioritizes customer satisfaction and reliability. Overall, these spark plugs are a durable, efficient, and high-performance solution for GM vehicles, providing long-lasting ignition performance and enhanced fuel economy. Now our second product is a premium car spark plug. The premium iridium platinum spark plugs, reference numbers 93175, LKR7DX11S, XP5702, XP6203, LKR7DX11S, 97390, LKR7BGPS, 96358, LKR7AHXS, 95710. Dilser 7B11GS are engineered for long-lasting performance and reliable ignition across a wide range of vehicles. Compatible with multiple Kia, Hyundai, Acura, and Honda models, including Kia Forte, Optima, Sportage, Sorento, Hyundai Elantra, Santa Fe, Sonata, and Tucson, as well as Honda Accord, Civic, CR-V, and Cross Tour. These spark plugs ensure seamless integration for optimal engine efficiency. Featuring an iridium center electrode with a platinum core, 0.044-inch gap, and 5/8-inch hex size, they provide superior thermal conductivity, better ignition performance, and reduced wear compared to standard spark plugs. With a resistance of 5,000 ohms, 51 mm insulator height, and 26.5 mm reach, they are designed for precise spark delivery and efficient combustion. Recommended for replacement every 80,000 to 100,000 miles, these spark plugs extend engine life, improve fuel efficiency, and enhance overall vehicle performance. They offer a durable, high-performance, and reliable solution for long-term ignition needs. Our third product is ACT-Delco car spark plug. The ACT-Delco iridium spark plugs represent the latest in advanced ignition technology, designed as an exact replacement for your vehicle's original components. Made with high-strength iridium, these plugs offer exceptional wear resistance and durability, ensuring long-lasting performance for your engine. Iridium spark plugs provide excellent idle stability, reliable cold starts, smooth acceleration, and consistent overall engine performance. Their 3-piece fired-in suppressor seal helps meter spark energy, prolong electrode life, prevent combustion leakage, and block radio frequencies that could interfere with vehicle electronics. ACT-Delco GM original equipment parts are engineered, tested, and validated to rigorous standards by GM engineers, ensuring optimal fit, performance, and reliability for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac vehicles. Many of these parts have previously appeared as GM Genuine Parts, OE, or ACT-Delco Professional, reflecting a trusted legacy of quality. Regular updates in materials and technology by GM ensure these iridium spark plugs remain at the forefront of performance and durability, making them a dependable choice for enhancing engine efficiency, fuel economy, and smooth driving. Now number 4, NGK car spark plug. The NGK 6953 spark plug BKR5E11 comes in a convenient 4-pack, offering a reliable solution for maintaining optimal engine performance. NGK is a globally trusted brand known for precision engineering and durability, ensuring that each spark plug delivers consistent ignition and reliable combustion. Designed for smooth acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and stable engine idle, these spark plugs help your engine run more efficiently while reducing misfires and rough starts. The BKR5E11 model features high-quality construction for long-lasting performance, making it ideal for routine maintenance or replacement in compatible vehicles. Installation is straightforward, as these plugs are designed as direct replacements for OEM parts, providing a plug-and-play solution that saves time and effort. By maintaining proper spark delivery and combustion efficiency, the NGK BKR5E11 ensures consistent engine performance, reduced fuel consumption, and extended engine life. Overall, this 4-pack provides value, reliability, and performance, making it an excellent choice for keeping your vehicle's ignition system in top condition. And our last choice is Bosch Car Spark Plug. The Bosch double iridium spark plugs deliver exceptional performance and long-lasting reliability, featuring both an iridium firing pin and an iridium ground electrode inlay. This advanced design provides up to 4 times longer life compared to standard copper spark plugs, while improving ignitability and reducing voltage requirements by up to 24 for smoother starts and better fuel efficiency. Bosch's 360-degree laser-welded ultrafine wire iridium firing pin ensures enhanced durability, while the nickel-plated rolled threads resist corrosion and eliminate the need for anti-seize, making installation quick and hassle-free. Pre-gapped at the factory, these plugs are ready to install out of the box without any adjustments, engineered to meet or exceed OE standards. Bosch double iridium plugs provide precise fit, form, and function for modern gasoline engines, including gasoline direct injection (GDI) systems. Compatible with select Acura, Chrysler, Dodge, and Honda models, they enhance acceleration, idle stability, and overall engine performance. For drivers seeking durability, efficiency, and consistent spark delivery, these Bosch plugs are a reliable and high-performance upgrade. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.